Yes, here I am going to show you how to record a screen and a video with OBS. OBS is Open Broadcaster software. If you have not installed it in your system, type OBS, you can easily install it. Then, yes, this is how the initial interface looks like. This is the important thing. You find here sources. So here you find a plus button. You need to add different sources as per your requirement. Suppose I want to record the screen. The source I need to add is display capture. Say OK. So to properly make it fit to the screen, right click here, say transform, you say fit to screen. Then suppose you want to capture video also. If it is just for screen recording, this is sufficient, display capture. Otherwise, if you want to add video also, you go to video, see here, video capture device, you select it. So, OK. Don't change any settings. And because this is occupying the entire screen, drag it to some corner of the screen. Yes. Now you can start recording. The initial settings you have made to capture the screen, it is display capture. Above it you have included video capture. Now you can say start recording. When you say start recording here in this interface, the problem is even this part will be recorded in the video. So to overcome that, there is a solution. You go to File, Settings. Here there is an option called Hotkeys. Go to the hotkeys and here start recording. You have set a hotkey as page up. I have already set it. Stop recording. You have set a hotkey as page down. So the advantage with that is you need not start recording from this point as start recording. You can come out of this screen and you can press page up to start recording and you can press page down to stop recording. So I'm just doing this. So here recording is being done. Okay. I'm recording this using another software, so I am not trying that. Then after completion of that, your file will be ready. So what you have to do is, you say stop recording. When you say stop recording, automatically your recording will come to a conclusion and it will be stored here. You say show recordings, it will be there. But here the problem is that file is not compatible to be uploaded to YouTube. So one final thing you have to do is go to Remix Recordings, select the recording, OBS recording. Let me say I have this. Yes. So this is in MKV format. This has to be converted to. So I selected this MKV. It has target file. You got an MP4 file. So you say Remix. So recording remixed. There ends recording with OBS. So now the MP4 file is ready. You can find it in Open Recordings. You can upload it in this YouTube. Thank you.